Hey everybody, this video is basically about, two different ways of cleaning your computer, the outside and the inside, the digital part. All right? Let's get going. Hey everybody, this is your friendly neighborhood tech guy, WYNE here. Just doing a little short video on how to clean your PC and declutter some things, old files or whatever. I'm just going to show you how to get there. I'm gonna show you 21 Gamers' way and my way, because my way is the newer way because it's a little quicker for the newer PCs. So 21 Gamers goes this way. Just follow along. These two right here, defragment and optimize drive, and disk cleanup. So let me go to disk cleanup first. So you select the drive that you want to clean. As you see, there's Windows C drive and then the E. When you pick it, you click OK. Let's see. It starts calculating everything. It'll give you a list of temporary files, downloaded programs, and things like this. This right here, this cleanup, helps just to clear up old programs or files that you are not using. You could also set it to delete the recycling bin and other temporary files. So the order that I'm going in this order specifically because me personally, I feel it works the best this way. You remove files and then you go to, back down again, and then you go to defragment and optimize. You can analyze and see how everything comes out, or you can just go straight to optimize, and then it's going to compress those files to make things run a little faster. I'm not doing it on our PC because our PC is relatively new, so it doesn't really need to be done yet. But for people who's had their computer for maybe over a year, it's good to do it every 3 to 6 months to just, compress those files and at the same time, do a disk cleanup where you remove those files that you haven't used in a long time. So trust me, if it's important, after you do a disk cleanup, you will know, and then you will go back and you'll re-download it or however you may. So, like I said, I'm not going to go through all that right now because our computer is fairly new, and when we uploaded everything and changed everything, we didn't really do too much. As you see, our desktop is pretty clear, has a Steam, Elder Scrolls, and Epic Games Fortnite. So if anybody wants to play in those, feel free to drop your gamer tag in the comments below. While you're also doing that, feel free to smash the like button. All right, so like I said, I'll pull it back up to the other one. These are just two simple things to just help you, disk cleanup and defrag and optimize, just to help, just declutter and clear off those files that you're no longer using. As you see actually here, mine's actually is scheduled to optimize frequency weekly. So you could change the settings, but some people, theirs is changed automatically. So if you want to change that, you can.
And how do you do it?
Oh, yes. The way how I do it is I either tap down, I either go right here, or I just go right here, and then I type in disk cleanup. Yes, it is the lazy way, but it's also the quicker way. Because it's, sometimes when I'm working on computers, I'm also trying to find the fastest way, with less, keys that need to be hit. So, all right. So here's the next part of the video. These are more items that you can go out and buy for your PC. What I have right now is an air duster, compressed air, depends on however you want to define it. You could pick a can up like this at Best Buy, Big Lots, Office Depot, I think even Publix. And They all come with this little red straw on the side. So you stick it up here in the top after you break this clip off to say open. And then, you know, if you're really trying to get into those little spots, that's what you use. If you're just trying to get your mouse and clean out your mouse with the crevices, you just leave it as is. You know, don't shake the can. It's not necessary. And you know, 2 shots here and there, 3 shots, blast out all the dust and dirt. You know, I'll be honest, sometimes you might need to hold your keyboard upside down, just give it a little shake after you unplug it, of course. So that's one cleaning item that you can use. Apparently on here it also says you can use it in cars. I'm not too sure why. But okay. And then these are cleaning wipes. Good for iPads, PCs, phone, you know, for the LCD screens. So you take out a cloth, you know, you gently wipe it. You know, if it seems to be a little sturdy smudge, you could put a little bit of force, but not too much force. This brand, these 2 brands, you know, I got from BJ's for $10 for both of them. You know, they work well for me. Whatever works best for you, you go out and pick it up. And, you know, keep it moving. So, because you want to keep your monitors clean. You want to also wipe down your PCs and everything of that nature. And some people think it's okay to use alcohol wipes. It's not. It's just not good. So, and then this last piece I have here is a microfiber cloth. It's good for when you're just dusting your computer, and you know, once in a while I will unplug all the wires in the back just to give it a good dusting, dust off the cables and everything like that. It's just a part of PC management. But yes, a microfiber cloth is, I think it's a must. So, you know, it's always good to have one around. Dust off the computer, dust off the back of the monitor. All right, I hope y'all liked the video. Smash the like button. Leave a comment at the bottom. And I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.